Directions. In Part C, you will hear several talks. After each talk, you will be asked some questions. The talks and questions will be spoken just one time. They will not be written out for you, so you will have to listen carefully in order to understand and remember what the speaker says. When you hear a question, read the four possible answers in your textbook and decide which one would be the best answer to the question you have heard. Then, on your answer sheet, find the number of the problem and fill in the space that corresponds to the letter of the answer you have chosen. Listen to the following speech to answer the question number 1 to number 3.
If you want to learn a language efficiently, then you need to give that language life. Every word needs to connect to sounds and images and scents and tastes and emotions. Every bit of grammar can't be some kind of abstract grammatical code. It needs to be something that can help you tell your story. And if you do this, you will find that the words begin to stick in your mind. And the grammar, it begins to stick too.
Number 1. What do we need to do to learn a language efficiently? Number 2. Every word has to be connected to. Number 3. What will happen if we follow the speaker's advice? Listen to the following speech to answer the question number 4 to number 6.
Access to education changes lives. That's why, in order to give everyone the best chance at success, we need to make education as easily accessible as possible. And we need to make sure that kids have access to the right type of education. There's no way to predict what the future will hold. And so the value in schooling doesn't lie in the facts that we learn to memorize, but rather the critical thinking skills that will allow us to solve a variety of problems.
Number 4. What changed our life based on the speaker's speech? Number 5. What is a requirement to make everyone have the best chance of success? Number 6. What skill will allow us to solve a variety of problems? Listen to the following speech to answer the question number 7 to number 10.
Permission, community, curiosity. All of these are the things that we will need to breed the confidence that we'll absolutely need to solve our greatest challenges and to build the world we dream. A world where inequity is ended and where justice is real. A world where we can be free on the outside and free on the inside because we know that none of us are free until all of us are free. A world that isn't intimidated by confidence when it shows up as a woman or in black skin or in anything other than our preferred archetypes of leadership. A world that knows that that kind of confidence is exactly the key we need to unlock the future that we want.
Number 7. What do we need to build our confidence? Number 8. What is the world we dream of based on the speaker's speech? Number 9. Why do we dream of a world where we can be free on the outside and the inside? Number 10. What is the key that we need to unlock the future that we want?